are the weirdest bird sounds on Earth. One mimics a machine gun. But first, if you like this cute puppy, like and subscribe before this video ends. Look at this loyal dog, abandoned and confused, still waiting for someone to care. Drop a heart and sad emoji if he broke your heart. 1. The shoebill. This terrifying bird is basically a living dinosaur. 2. The screaming piha. This bird literally sounds like an ambulance. 3. The lyrebird. This bird can mimic a machine gun. 4. The loon bird.